Welcome everybody to my Indices channel, and we'll be starting our chart analysis with NASDAQ on the weekly time frame. So NASDAQ is bullish on the weekly time frame. This is our break of structure. This is our range low, and our range high is still here, but for now I'm not really marking it out. I could decide to actually mark it out because it has already been extended, so let's just mark it here for now. This is its weekly time frame, and then going to the immediate price action, we can see this low has been broken, this candle range low. So now that it has been broken, we have our new range here, and price is still inside it for the day. It's still early, so we'll have to see what happens. Possibly a break below to continue the sales, or a break above. Now if it's to break below, this is a very important place, level I'll be looking for checking price at, so that I'll see if it holds, because price can easily give us a reaction here and start buying. We can't tell, we'll have to check it out later. On the daily time frame, does not have a clear market structure, so we'll just go straight to the immediate price action there. What can we see? So this was a break above this candle range here, so we are looking for buyers. Now this is our new candle range, and we've had one inside buy, that's yesterday's candle, and this is today's own. Today could also be an inside buy candle, or it can break above the points. I think it's more inclined to break above than below, so we'll have to watch out for that. If it does break above this level, then we should be looking for buy opportunities. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see on the 4-hour time frame? So the 4-hour time frame is currently bullish, but price is getting dangerously close to the 4-hour range low. This is a break of structure, and this is the 4-hour range high here. So what should we be looking out for? Right now, this is a strong place if price is to buy for a sell, a reaction off of the zone and then a sell. But I doubt it's going to happen today. It could possibly come in the next few days. Then as for buying, price is reacting from this level here, so we don't know if it's going to hold. This is also another level that price can react from. If it does get to this level, it could buy. It can also just buy from here. What else do we have? I think that is all. This is looking like liquidity too, so price might actually just come straight down to that level. So for now, nothing is setting yet. We just need to mark out our zones, which are this one where price is currently at, which I don't know if it's actually going to hold, and this one here. Then for liquidity points that price could target, this is one liquidity point, this is another liquidity point. So just need to keep our heads up and be very adaptive to whatever the market gives us. So if you go down to the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame is bearish. This is a 1-hour range low, this is a 1-hour range high, and this is a break of structure to the downside. So what can we see here? Yes, this is an even clearer demand zone here, and we can't really find anyone here again. So I think if price is to actually buy, it might start buying from here. That is it. Maybe target this liquidity that I talked about earlier. So on the 15 minutes time frame, is there any clear market structure there? Okay, 15 minutes is still as it is. Price has not yet broken anything, but we can see it. You can see it. What is going on? You can see that it is breaking structures, probably in the 1 minute time frame, and this could be the new range. Rather, this is the new range here. Should be on the 1 minute time frame, but it's currently buying inside the 15 minutes time frame. We aren't yet sure of what it could do, so we just keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then let's move over to US30. US30 on the weekly time frame is also bullish. And then if you move down to the most immediate price action, what happened was this is still over our main range, candle range, because price has not yet broken above or below. It just wicked it. Same thing here. This next candle, price did not break above it or below it. It just wicked it here. This is our new range too. Price has not yet broken above or below. It's still weakening it, but the day is still early, so I think this candle might be the one that actually starts making a decisive move. So that is it on the weekly time frame. Price is just being uncertain. If you move down to the daily time frame, what do we see on the daily time frame? Okay, there's no clear market structure on the daily, but if we check the immediate price action, this was the range, most recent range that was broken. This became the new range that has not yet been broken. So we've had two inside bar candles. This is also an inside bar candle to this one here. So this is the third candle. It's also very likely for it to be an inside candle. So we just need to keep on watching. For now, nothing has happened. We will have to see in the coming days. As for zones, okay, the zones are still on the lower time frame. Let's go down to the 4 hours to see if you can get something better. So the 4 hour time frame is bullish, and we haven't yet seen anything. Remember, I said this was liquidity, and it looks like price is finally coming down to it. Could clear it out, even come down to this level. We don't really know. We'll have to keep watching. But as for supply zones, this is still a very, very valid supply zone that price could, come in and tap. But it's still far away from the zone. So this one here has already been mitigated by this week. And I think that is all. If price is to buy, it might have actually started this buy here. After this breakout, retracement, another break. So if it's to continue the buy, I think it's just buy from there, maybe from another zone here, and that is it. So on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame is bearish. This is a 1 hour range. This is a break of structure, rather, a 1 hour range high and a 1 hour range low. So as for zones, I do think that this is a valid zone for buys. This is a valid zone for sales. Yeah. So now it has mitigated this zone. It has also mitigated this zone. So if this zone is to be the one is expecting, then it will definitely come down here. But if it doesn't do that, it might still come again to tap into this zone already mitigated and buy. That is it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes is bearish too. This is a break of structure, a 15-minute range high and a 15-minute range low. So this is the current range. So can we see anything? Okay, internally price broke this structure here. So this could be where price is reacting from for the buy. If it does come down here again, if it's to buy, then it's supposed to come up here, break this level, print a new demand zone, and then we enter from there to target possibly this level or this level. So that is it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again later. Goodbye.